All right, we're gonna open up Premiere. All right, so first things you wanna do is start a new project, name it whatever you'd like. All right, so you're gonna import a clip. All you need to do is double click in this area right here, and then just go through your files and find where your clip is and just hit import. I'm gonna choose this one right here. If you don't have any to work with, I'll leave this one for you guys below. All right, so you right click on the clip, new sequence from clip, boom. Now you're gonna see this clip looks super washed out, super gray. I shot this in log. So first things first, you're gonna go to your lumetri color panel. It's right here. If you don't see it, go right here to window, go to workspaces, and you can just go and click on effects so you can follow along with how mine looks. So we're gonna go right here, click on lumetri color, boom. So now we got our clip imported right here. We're gonna go into color correction. Color correction is just bringing this clip to a baseline level to work with. We're not gonna get crazy with the style yet. So click on your clip right here, go up to lumetri color right here. Then you'll see basic correction, you're gonna click on that. And a very easy and simple way to do this is while your clip is selected, you go here and hit auto, and Premiere will do it for you. It'll automatically color correct your clip. And you know, you could still go in, make a couple adjustments, but this is the easiest and fastest way to do it. You could go in, if you see you wanna bring the exposure up a little bit, it looks a little underexposed. That should be good right there. Maybe a little bit more saturation here. And honestly, it did a pretty good job, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Next thing is you're gonna create an adjustment layer. So right click in this area, you'll go to new item, and then adjustment layer. Click on that, hit OK, and then just drag it over on top of your clip. And then you could extend it. So now what you wanna do is go ahead, and I like to just right click on the adjustment layer, hit rename, and we'll just rename this to grade. So this is gonna be your color grade now. So you click on the adjustment layer, go back over to your lumetri color panel, and now you can go down to the creative section. Now we could use our LUTs. If you have LUTs downloaded, you could use them. If not, there's plenty of places to get LUTs, and I'll leave some links down below. But I already have a bunch of LUTs, so I'll scroll through these, see what looks best. I kind of like that one. I like this one right here, this Mad Max. So all I have to do is double click on my LUT right here, and it might be a little too intense, so you maybe want to bring this slider and drag it down a little bit. Now you can go in and just make little tweaks depending on how you want it stylized. So for me, I want a little bit more contrast in this clip, maybe bring down the shadows a little bit, maybe bring up this exposure just a little bit, take away some of these green tints, bring up the color temperature, and this looks pretty cool to me. This is just a quick, simple, easy way to go in and color your clips. We did our correction, got our grade, and this is a pretty good final clip you can watch right here. And as you can see, the before and after is, you've completely transformed this clip, and it's just a really simple way to do it.